Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by choosing a reliable live wallpaper source from the Google Play Store or App Store. Choose a live wallpaper source such as the Google Play Store, App Store, or a gallery file. Prefer 1080x 1920 or higher resolution and keep file size under 15 MB for smooth playback. Check compatibility with your device and Android version or iOS lock screen features. Confirm the wallpaper supports your home screen aspect ratio, commonly 16:9 or 9:16. Download the wallpaper file or app before continuing to set up and permissions. Open the wallpaper app and grant permissions for storage, motion, or microphone if required. Open the wallpaper app and grant permissions for storage, motion, or microphone if required. Trim live video to a maximum of 15 seconds for best results on many Android launchers. Use a still fallback image sized to the screen, for example 1080x 1920 pixels. If your phone asks, set the wallpaper for home, lock, or both screens explicitly. Keep the original video file in a safe folder in case you need to reapply or edit later. On Android, open the wallpaper preview and tap Set Wallpaper, then choose Home, Lock, or both. On Android, tap Set Wallpaper, choose Home, Lock, or both, and confirm within the system dialog. On iPhone, convert a live photo, then set it as lock screen and enable live photo playback. If the wallpaper stutters, lower animation speed or choose a lower frame rate. If battery drains, switch to a static image or reduce frame rate to 30 FPS in settings. Test the applied wallpaper for gestures, notifications, and always-on display compatibility.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.